Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can make any kind of game really easily without any technical knowledge. So in this tutorial I will show you everything step by step from the very beginning. I'll first of all show you how you can make the game, and then I'll show you how you can publish the game so that your friend, family and other people can play the game. So first of all, what you need to do is really simple. You just need to open your browser, and in the browser you need to search for SoonLab.ai. You just need to search for this and then press enter, and you will see an interface like this. So after coming here, what you need to do is that here you can see we have a chat option over here. So here whatever game you want to create, you just need to describe your game, and here you can see we have the model. So here you can choose SoonLab 1.0 Flash or SoonLab 1.0 Pro. It depends how many token you have. So the first time you log in, you will get some free token, and also if you join the Discord, you can also earn up to 400 points. Okay, so let's go and create a game. So let's just create an interesting game. So we're going to see over here, build me a action game where a character has to fight zombies endlessly. Different zombies has different powers. Some has axe, some has knife, and some has the ability to super punch. The fight will happen in a city where the main character job is to kill the zombies and survive. There should be some health potion for main character to collect to heal himself. And the character design should look like Mr. Beast, and his head should be bigger than his body. Make his movement funny, and he has gun and rocket launcher to kill the zombies. So I'll just give this prompt, and here if you want to modify the prompt, you can click here get inspired, but I want to give my idea directly. I don't want to modify my idea, so I'll just directly click here generate. So right now SoonLab.ai will read my prompt, and once it read your prompt, you will see an interface like this. So it might ask you a few questions. You just need to answer that question. And here I am going to choose the third option, big head comedy action with steamer style energy. So I want to make this for PC keyboard and mouse OS. So if you want, you can make it the mobile version. And here rocket recoil, I'll choose this, the first option. And if you do not like those options, you can always refresh those options as well. Here you can see refresh options, and there you can see depending on our choice, it generate a idea and design. So right now we are going to click here generate. So once you click on generate, here you will see a progress bar like this. Here you can see 2%, 3%. The estimated time is 8 minutes, but normally it generate your game way faster than 8 minutes. I think it take around like 3 to 4 minutes, but it may take longer depending on your game complexity. So right now I'll just fast forward the video until the game creation is complete. And there you can see our game creation is complete. So first of all, before we publish, let's just play the game first. So I'm going to click here, and there you can see start game option. So we're going to click here start game. So let's see, can we move the character? Yes, we can move the character up and down. Can we shoot? Yeah, we can shoot. Here you can see we can shoot, and there you can see it also kill the zombie as well. And there you can see we have a health potion over here. Okay, let me just take some damage from the zombies. There you can see I took a little bit of damage. My health bar is dropping. Here you can see. So let me just right now take the potion, and there you go. My health increased right now. There you go. So when I kill a zombie, I get a potion. Okay, if I now just click on my left mouse button, it sends a rocket launcher. Okay, so let me just modify the design a little bit. I'm going to say here. So here, if you do not like something, here you can see we have the chat option. So here we can say that make these changes, make that changes. So let's say here, make the design look like 3D. Make the design look like 3D, and we're going to say also make the game smoother. I want to be able to jump by pressing the pace button. Let's also mention one thing, the game feels a little laggy. So I'll just give this simple prompt. So whatever motivation you want, you just mention it here in the chat option. So right now I'm just going to click here, and this time depending on our prompt, it will modify our game. So again, it will take some time. It is estimated to take 3 minutes. So I'll just fast forward the video until it's complete. And there you can see it's done. So right now let's play the game. And this time the game feels a little bit of smoother, as you can see. So there you can see right now we can shoot, and there is a rocket launcher as well. Can we jump? And there you can see this time we can jump as well. So there you can see our game is more or less complete. We can add a lot of things if you want, and here you can see game config. So if I now click on this, and there you can see player speed. So if you want, you can increase the player speed, then player max cell. So let me just decrease it a little bit. Let's make it 50, and let's say player speed will be 400. You can also change the bullet damage, then the rocket speed. Let's say rocket speed will be 1000. There you can see rocket damage and everything. So we can just set this, and here you can see RP placement. So we can also upload the hero avatar as well. We can also upload the zombie image. We can upload the potion image, the background color, everything else. And here you can see audio and replacement. So you can also add some different kind of audio, or if you want to add a different sound, you can add it as well. You just have to upload it. Okay, so I'll just click here, save and reload. So there you can see config saved successfully. So let's play the game again, and if I now click on the rocket launcher, there you can see it is now going a little bit of faster. There you go, and there is a recoil for rocket launcher. So once I shoot a rocket launcher, like the character goes back a little bit. There you go. So here we have the download game option. We have the restart button. So here you can see we have the publish button. So right now we're going to click on publish, and you can change the game title and the game link. So you can just share this link with anyone, and they will be able to play this game. And you can also change the game thumbnail as well. And this is the action game, so I'll just select this, and I'm going to click here publish. Obviously there is a lot of modification we can do, and there you can see it is submitted for review. So after reviewing your game, they will publish your game. So I hope you like this tutorial, and here you can see if we just go to the SoonLab.ai, here you can see my games. If I now click on this, you'll be able to see the game that you just created. There you can see I have already created some game, the coin rush game, and this is a survival game, and I can always modify my game as well. So yeah, I hope right now you'll be able to make any kind of game really easily using SoonLab. And if you want to publish the game in different platform, then you can also download the game as well, since we have the download button here. So yeah, I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.